Hello, and welcome to yet another lesson on bearings. This time we'll be looking at what we call back bearings. Back bearings. Okay, let's go on to our questions. Number one, if the bearing of P from Q is 145 degrees, find the bearing of Q from P. Number two, the bearing of P from Q is 60 degrees. What is the bearing of Q from P? There are two main ways of solving questions involving back bearings. We can use a formula, or we can draw graphically to solving questions involving back bearings. But in today's lesson, we want to learn how to use the formula to solve back bearings in a simple way. There are two main formulas. The first one, we have 180 plus x, where the x is less than 180 degrees. And the next formula is x minus 180 degrees, where the x is greater than 180 degrees. And we know the x represents what? The angle. The x represents the angle in the question. So without wasting much time, in our first question, if the bearing of P from Q is 145 degrees, we are to find the bearing of Q from P. So 145 degrees is the angle in question. So here our x is 145 degrees. Is it greater or less than 180 degrees? It is definitely lesser. So which of the formulas we use? The first one. So we will have 180 degrees plus 145 degrees. And what is 180 degrees plus 145 degrees? It gives us 325 degrees. So the bearing of Q from P is 325 degrees. Very simple. Let's go to our next question. The bearing of P from Q is 60 degrees. What is the bearing of Q from P? So here our x is giving us 60 degrees. 60 degrees. So which of the two formulas do we use? We still use the first formula because 60 is less than 180 degrees. So we will have 180 degrees plus 60 degrees. And 180 degrees plus 60 degrees gives us 240 degrees. 240 degrees. I'm sure you can give yourself some sample questions to try out with the two formulas. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Till we meet again in our next lesson.